All right, what's good, y'all? Link here. And let's go for another daily legal question. Question 2138, divide a string into groups of size k. Easy one. Let's see how this one goes. Daily 2138. Let's go. Oops, here we have this. Okay. So we have a string, an integer, and then another string in which a list of string. Let's see. The string S can be partitioned into groups of size k using the following procedure. The first group consists of the first group consists of the first k characters of the string, the second group consists of the next k characters of the string, and so on. Each element can be part of exactly one group. For the last group, if the string does not have k elements remaining, a character fill is used to complete the group. Okay, note that the partition is done so that after removing the fill character from the last group, if it exists, and concatenating all the groups in order, the result string should be S. Give the string S, the size of each group K, and the character field, return a string denoting the composition of every group S has been divided into using the above procedure. Let's see. So over here we have the string, we have K, and we have the field X. Okay, so we divide A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. We don't need to do any fill. And over here we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and then J is going to be X, X. I mean, okay. Um, yeah, I guess pretty much just looping over the let's see, looping over the string, grabbing, going three by three, right? To, let's see. Okay, and then on the last one, let's see. Okay, so let's see, what is the size of this one? 3, 6, 9, 10. Okay, so we gotta do 12 in here. So I think the for loop goes from 0 to, if the number is divided by k, then that's fine. But if, okay, so let's see. So it's the, let's see, okay, okay. So I guess the main idea here is the for loop. Oops. So let's see. So let's say we have size of 10. That means that in the k is equal to 3. And that means that we have to go up to 9, and then we're gonna left 1, right? If the remaining is 0, then we don't have to do anything. So okay, let's see. Uh, we need to find, okay, so if the k is the length of the string is divisible by k, that's fine. We don't have to do anything. Now, if it's not, then we need to find the next number that is divisible by k, right? So in this case, let's see. Let's see if we have 10, k is equal to 3. So so 10 mod 3, that's equal to 1, right? And then do we add, let's see, what is, it's 1. Do we need to add k minus that? It's 0, we don't have to do anything, right? In this case, since the remaining is 1, that's the remaining. Yeah, yeah, I think that works. And then uh, we just add k minus 1 to that number. Yep, I think that works. Okay, so let's go. N is equal to the length of the string, and then now we need to find. Let's see. Okay, so if n mod k not equal to 0. That means that we don't have an element divided by 0. Okay, let's do how can I call this one? Let's do limit, I think, is equal to 0. Oh, then we're gonna equal to n. Let's see. And then if actually, no way. Let's use n. So if n mod k is not equal to 0, that means that we have some remainder, and then n will be equal. So n plus equals n mod k, that's the remaining, and then we do k minus that, right? And k, and then uh is equal to a list for I in range of n. So we're gonna take, let's see, from 0 to n, taking steps of 3. So you're gonna do 0, 1, 2, boom, plus 3 is gonna be at 3. Okay, yes. Oh, it's not 3k, right? Okay, taking okay. Uh, rest dot append. Let's see. Mm, this. Do, 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 okay, so let's see. If I, we need to check if we're gonna go over the range, right? So if I plus k is greater than length of s, oops, less than or is greater or equal to length of s, the end of s. You know, let's look at unary, like so. Let's do for j in range of exactly I to I plus k. Do the accumulator right here. Go to oops, equal to this, and then for j in range of I to I plus k. Um, if j is less than length of s, if j is less than length of s, actually is greater. No, that's fine. If j is less than length of s, then acc plus equals s index j, else acc plus equals fill to rest that append, which the wait, where's my oh, I'm recording a macro for some reason. ACC, oops, return rest. I think it should be fine. So we gotta so if the length of the string is not divisible by k, that's fine. We don't have to do anything. Oh, that's not good because we will have the last substring that we're going to create will not have a size k, so we need to fill the rest with fill. Yeah, I think this is fine. Now that I'm thinking, think we could just like go over the whole thing 3 by 3, and then we'll just grab what is left and then fill with x. So if n mod k is not equal to 0, n plus equals k minus the remainder, and then we're take steps of k. Now we don't want to go to And we're gonna go to, let's see, let's do 6. We're gonna do 0, 1, 2. We're gonna go 3. It's the length minus k, right? I think it's length minus k because let's say we have length of 6. In case you go to 3, we're gonna go 0, 1, 2. Jump to 3, uh, 3, 3, 4, 5, and then let's see, 3 is the length. It's 6, 3. Okay, yeah, we're not going to include that element. For j, I plus k, okay. If we still have an element, we're gonna add to the accumulator. Otherwise, we just add the fill string. There we go. Okay, I think this should be fine. I probably missed some array indexing, but yeah. Let's see. Oh, A B C D A B C D E F. So let's see. What's the size of this? 369. Oh no, this is right. Oh, this is right. I can. I'm not getting the last one. Yep. This one completed with X. Let's give a quick submit. Oh my gosh, 3 milliseconds sample. Oh, this is not the best runtime. Okay, let's try to make this a little quicker. Let's see. Or maybe just this should be just like O of n, right? Just loop over everything. Oh, I think I haven't. Let's give it a quick. Sometimes LeetCode just mess up with the time right here. Yep. Oh no, this is weird. Now that I'm thinking, I think we could just do. We could also do like, um, oops. We could also do like we iterate through 0 to. Actually, I think that's fine. We can grab all the like case size strings, but we stop at the end, and then that remainder is what we're gonna use to build the last one. Let's say we have one remainder, then we just grab that element and then fill the rest up to size of k, and then add to the result. But yeah, not bad, not that bad for this one. Just more like figuring out this how far do we want to go to be able to use the fill or not use the fill if we have a perfect size. But yeah, I think that's all I have for this one. Appreciate you guys for watching and see y'all next time.